For many people with pulmonary valve disease, blood flow from the heart to the lungs becomes difficult. This can cause symptoms like breathlessness, fatigue, or swelling. When the pulmonary valve cannot function properly, pulmonary valve replacement may be recommended to restore normal heart function. When the pulmonary valve cannot function properly, pulmonary valve replacement may be recommended to restore normal heart function. Pulmonary valve replacement is a procedure where a damaged pulmonary valve is replaced with a healthy artificial or biological valve. This treatment helps the heart pump blood efficiently to the lungs, improving oxygen supply throughout the body. Depending on the patient's condition, the valve may be replaced through open heart surgery or a minimally invasive catheter-based technique. The less invasive approach often allows faster recovery and shorter hospital stays. Pulmonary valve replacement has a high success rate. In experienced cardiac centers, more than 90% of patients experience significant symptom relief and improved quality of life after the procedure. MediGence really does simplify this journey. With MediGence, you can book virtual consultations with certified cardiac specialists, compare different treatment plans, and get clear, step-by-step guidance on pulmonary valve replacement. Before you choose a treatment, expert guidance is absolutely essential. Teleconsultation lets you speak directly with experienced cardiac specialists right from your home, helping you understand all your treatment options and plan your next steps with confidence. From your initial assessment to procedure planning, travel support, and even follow-up care, MediGence is there to support you at every single step of the way. Pulmonary valve replacement can honestly be life-changing when you have the right experts guiding you. So, take the first step toward better heart health by visiting www.medigence.com today.